Hi, Bearcats. I'm Keith.
I'm Devan, and we're full-time hall directors here at Sam Houston State.
It's time to renew your housing contract. We hope you have enjoyed your on-campus experience and invite you to participate in the 2025 Housing Renewal. This is the opportunity for current residents to make sure they have a spot on campus for the upcoming academic year.
And we have some exciting changes for fall of 2025. Belvin will be back online as the CAM creative community. Elliott and Estill will return to female-only residence halls.
The university has also acquired an additional apartment community, Campus Edge. The property features newly renovated, fully furnished, 4-bedroom/2-bathroom apartments with a full-size kitchen and an in-unit laundry.
Like all of our apartment community households, pets are welcome at Campus Edge.
Housing renewal will take place in 4 phases this year. It's a little bit different than you may have seen last year, so be sure to mark your calendars.
First, you should have received notification that we are refunding your $200 housing deposit during February. Your deposit refund will be visible in your student account well before March renewal. This is because we are moving to a new system where all students will pay a $50 non-refundable application fee in order to secure housing. So before you can choose a room, you will need to pay the application fee.
Next, we are offering housing renewal in 4 phases. These phases are separated in a new way, mainly to alleviate the slow response wait times that students have experienced in the past when everyone is in the system at the same time.
Phase 1 will be on March 4th from 6 a.m. and closing at 5 p.m. This will allow current students to select the exact same space you live in now for next year. Some spaces won't be available if you live in Elliott or Whitehall. You will not be eligible to renew the same space. Spots are limited in several buildings because of our first-year living communities. The following areas are not eligible for renewal: Piney Woods, floors 4 through 6, San Jacinto, floor 2, Lone Star, floors 1 and 2, and Raven Village, parts of floors 2 and 3. Students who are currently living in a room that is not eligible for renewal will receive an email with additional information. So check your Sam Houston State University email.
Phase 2 will begin on March 5th, beginning at 6 a.m. until 5 p.m. for male residents only. During this time, you will be eligible to grab any available room space, including those in Campus Edge, Copper Village, Bearcat Village, and Jackson Shaver. Seniors will be eligible to grab a San Jacinto studio if available. For CAM majors, Belvin Hall will also be an option.
Phase 3 is on March 6th, starting at 6 a.m. and ending at 5 p.m. Open to female residents only. Same as in Phase 2, you will be eligible to grab any available room space, including those in Campus Edge, Copper Village, Bearcat Village, and Jackson Shaver. Seniors will be eligible to grab a San Jacinto studio if available. For CAM majors, Belvin Hall will also be open.
Phase 4 is the final day of renewal and is open for all current residents to renew to an available space from 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. on March 7th.
If you participated in Phase 1 through 3 but had a change of heart, you will be able to swap to an available space during this phase.
As always, if you have any questions about housing renewal, contact us at Residence Life and we will be happy to help you.
Eat 'em up, cats!